everyone, it's Ina. We are here in Manila and we left Pampanga pretty early since today will be a long day. Our first stop is Intramuros and this is San Agustin Church.
So, this one, Agustinian built, di ba? It's the first stone-built na church here in the Philippines. Kami meron akong video.
Tour guide for today's video.
You see those two dogs there?
Yeah.
Donated by Chinese team.
Oh, that's why they look.
Tapos, heavily bombed to nung Japanese Imperial Army. Kaya kita mo, hindi na original.
We're done with our historical field trip here in Intramuros since everyone is hungry. So now we are headed to Binondo for a food crawl.
It's so annoying that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and I want the world to fade away just for a while, over the top that you're so.
We are going to visit a lot of food stops and I'm going to try little of everything. We are guided today by our official tour guide, Tito John, Uncle John. This is the oldest alley in Binondo and it's called Umbrella Alley.
Stood there, both side by side, I bet that, oh, Michelangelo would be surely carving you. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how
the sauce. So good. I'm not a lumpia person, but I like it.
Just for a while, over the top that you're so cute, and that if you and David stood there, both side by side, I bet that oh Michelangelo would be surely carving you. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying and take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can.
We're just here at Eng Bitin because Mom and Tita Bianca bought some stuff, and it's also air conditioned inside, so we're trying to cool down. It's really hot outside. It's 1 p.m. There's a long line for the Wai roasting because it's a pretty famous place, and we are not going to eat there because we're kind of full from all the eating. So we are lining up for the take-home store, their take-home store, and we'll buy their frozen. Really good. I love the texture. It's fresh. How they make it is they knead it with a bamboo, right, Tito John? They use a bamboo. And actually, Mami is a Filipino term. Ma means, it's like a family name, right? And then Mi is the noodles. So if you translate it, it's like the noodles of the family of Ma. was a really fun food trip. I am so full. If you're going to go on a food trip in Binondo, I think it's better to start early, around 10, so there won't be long lines in the restaurants. I know that there are still a lot of restaurants we haven't tried because we were so full. If you visit Binondo, it's better if you try a little of everything. Don't order too much so you won't get so full that you can't try other restaurants. We also bought stuff, like a lot of stuff. We got this melon mochi from Engbieten. And then mom got her kuchay pies from, where did you get it? Where did you buy? Holland. And then we also got these jellies, fruit jellies. We tried this before from Taiwan, I think. It was good, so we bought. Then we also got mooncake from Engbieten, and Mama got her favorite, which is matchang from Holland.